It is 5:14 this Saturday morning, taking a live look right now over Moosehead Lake. Nice sunrise out there, and but starting tomorrow, it's going to be dark in the morning again, I think, because of the time change. That's the one thing that
we
always
bring it forward an hour.
Yeah.
So like 6 a.m. will be like, what time is it right now? 5:15. So this will be like 6:15. Will be like right now tomorrow.
Right.
It's
But
so
we get more
confusing to
light
me.
in the evening, which is nice. People.
Can we get rid of
enjoy
it?
that. I know, it does get confusing, and I don't love losing an hour of sleep on this shift, so.
No,
oh well.
I'm already confused what time it is half the day. So
Hopefully we both end up here tomorrow.
well, there's technically a time that's like the global time, and you have to adjust your hours accordingly. So I always get slightly confused the first week about how to adjust it back to Eastern, but you don't have to worry about that today yet. Still the regular old 5:17 this morning, right where we normally would be, but that will change tomorrow, like Chloe just said, when we lose an hour of sleep. Now, either way, temperatures are probably going to be pretty similar. They're not changing too much. Current temperatures outside right now are sitting right around freezing along the coast, a little bit cooler inland by a couple degrees. These will all feel slightly cooler today overall because it is going to be breezy as you head out there, gusts up to about 20, 25 miles an hour. So be ready for a day that is going to be a little bit breezy with your temperatures just remaining a bit cooler than high temperatures right around 40 degrees as you go through your day. In addition, it's not going to be quite as sunny as yesterday, so we'll see that also kind of affecting how warm it feels outside. So it's really kind of similar to yesterday in the sense of temperatures, but it's just going to feel colder for a couple of those reasons. So overall, expect it to be mostly cloudy for your day here today. We will have those clouds starting to break by the time we get into the evening, but it's going to be right before that sun sets where you start to see this breaking. So I'm not expecting a ton of sun through the day, mostly going to be a cloudy day overall as you head out for your Saturday. Now, otherwise, at least we're avoiding all of this. It's off to our south right now. This storm is the one that we've been talking about all week. Would it hit us? Would it not? The models we eventually got a couple days ago figured out that it is staying off to our south, but you can see it's really just trying to creep up there the tiniest bit, which is why this one was a little bit hard to call, but overall it is staying off to our south as we go through your day here today. So I wouldn't expect any precip. Southern New Hampshire is obviously getting some, but most of us and all of us in Maine are not. Now, if you wanted some weather, I got news for you. We have some coming here as we go into the next week here. We're going to start to see some more snowfall pop into the forecast. So that one's moving off to our east. We're going to see this one moving in Monday night, and that's going to move in mostly through the day on Tuesday. We're watching another nor'easter kind of storm moving up along the coast. That's going to bring some rain and some snow to the forecast. So we're going to see the two of those kind of together. So that's going to mean if you're along the coastline, you're going to have less in the way of snowfall this time around because there will be some rain mixing in with this. This can still shift a little bit, which could change stuff, but overall, the biggest jackpot for some snow is where the blue is. The white is where we're still going to see definitely good snow. I mean, 6 to 10 is potentially nothing to laugh at. We're going to get a better look at this for you and update this weekend for you guys as the new models come out. We're just taking a quick look at it ahead of time to see what we could potentially get up to as this moves through. Your marine forecast, these are at 3 to 5 feet for the day, and it will be a bit gusty out there, so remember that as you go through your day here today, losing that hour of sleep into your day tomorrow. Unfortunately, it will be an hour with some sunshine, but hey, I mean, it is what it is. We make up for that hour later on. You can see that storm moving through Monday night into Tuesday, lingering around for your day on Wednesday as well. So it's not just going to be one that kind of moves through in the morning, then moves back out. This one's going to take a little while to get through the area, but sunshine after, so.
All right, yeah, just a little, spot in the middle of the week, but then it will be fine.
Yeah,
So.
I feel like we're at the point where, like, I know in the beginning of winter, everybody really wanted the snow.
Right.
And now I feel like half of everybody is like, we're over it.
I
And
feel
the
like
other,
I'm wearing pink today to channel spring. It just felt like the time.
she said, I'll do whatever I can.
Exactly. All right.